The first thing in the morning, I check my wheels and load, and I climb up into my cab and head out on the road. Is this the life I really want? With every bend I take, and drinking coffee all day long to keep me wide awake. Will my children know their dad being away that long? I sure as hell miss the wife and the Scania rolling on. Well, I hope these custom guys ain't having a bad day, and I get through at the toll and be on my way. Chris Eubank's got a big rig, it's just a runaround. Big T plays the 164 on radio downtown. Uncle Hugh on Ulster, he'll play the 143. But any song that's a Scania song is a lullaby to me. I pull in at the truck stop, God knows who I'll meet. A lady trucker sitting in, she seems so cool and sweet. The days are long and lonely on the road alone. Well, I need a little loving in my Scania rolling on. Chris Eubank's got a big rig, it's just a runaround. Big T plays the 164 on radio downtown. Uncle Hugh on Ulster, he'll play the 143. But any song that's a Scania song is a lullaby to me. Chris Eubank's got a big rig, it's just a runaround. Big T plays the 164 on radio downtown. Uncle Hugh on Ulster, he'll play the 143. But any song that's a Scania song is a lullaby to me. Any song that's a Scania song is a lullaby to me.